For tech today we are gonna unbox Poco X3 Gt. So this is a 5G variant with the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So let's just unbox this thing. So the first thing is this Poco card, and what we're getting is the SIM card ejection. Okay, pin, and then we have some of the paperwork with Poco stickers out here. Then we have paperwork. Yeah. This is for the Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, which shows that this is not having any headphone jack anymore. So, awaiting the paperwork. This is the silicone case we are getting. It's a transparent silicone case. So, this is the silicone case you're getting out from the box. So, it's good that you're getting a free silicone case. Here we have the Poco X3 Gt. It's having a flagship MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor, which is based on the 6nm fabricated processing, dual 5G processing system with 67-watt turbocharging, 5000 mAh battery, and 120Hz 6.6-inch display with a 64-megapixel triple camera setup. So Dolby Atmos supported, and this is what we are getting. It's a 6.6 front-inch full HD display, and on the back we have this star glaze. I hope I can let you see what the thing it is. It's having a stars, it names as Stargaze Black. It has two other variants on the black and a blue. On the side we have the power button, the volume rockers, and nothing else. On the right side we have the SIM card ejection tool, and then on the top we have the speaker grills, IR blaster, and a mic dedicated. And down we have another mic, Type-C port, and the speaker grill. So it means that it's having a dual speaker setup. And then on the back we have the triple camera setup. With a dual LED flashlight, and it shows a 64-megapixel AI camera and a Poco branding, made in China. That's all. So let's just boot it up. Yeah, one thing good is it's having the fingerprint mounted on the power button. So what's anything else inside the box? Yeah, we have the USB cable, which is a red cable. I can show you. Yeah. So it's a 65-watt charging brick. Yeah, it's too heavy. So it's a 67-watt charging brick, and you are not getting any hand-free inside the box. Okay, so let's just take this thing aside and talk about the phone. So this is the phone itself, and I haven't connected it with the Wi-Fi. So this is all. Display. It's having dark mode and light mode. I'm new to this whole MIUI setup, and I believe that this is going to be a good experience. But I've seen the reviews and videos related to this thing. So it's having a refresh rate of 120 and 60 Hz. This is one of the most beneficial thing here in this phone. And then the processor it is having is better than Snapdragon 860, but is less than 870, which is in F3. So it's a mid-range between Poco X3 Pro. It's better than Poco X3 Pro and is a little bit lesser than Poco F3. Okay, it's also having a 5G connection. And other than that, talking about the camera. So how about the camera? So I believe it's a decent camera. Not so good, not so bad. So the camera shots will be later on revealed on the video or onto the channel. What else you are getting out from the phone is you are having a 256 gigs of storage, and in terms of this is what we are getting out from 256. 22.9 gigs of storage is occupied, and you are getting 233.1 gigs. So that's good. MIUI out from the phone, it's having a 12.5.2 and might get an update on connecting it to the Wi-Fi. So the worst thing about this phone is it's having some of the bloatware apps like this. You can easily install them like this. But you have to uninstall them one by one, like this Jewels and Bubble Smasher, whatever the game it is. So these are some of the apps. Okay, so the main factors. I'm switching onto this phone from Samsung Galaxy devices. Why I'm switching on to this phone is that because I was going to buy a Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus. They were having Snapdragon 855. That's a good processor with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, some of the great cameras, and a lot of other features which you are gonna get from the Samsung. But still, they're not having any 120 Hz refresh rate. They are not having latest Android. They are not having this fast charging support. A lot of features. This Snapdragon, this Dimensity processor in it, this is way better than the Snapdragon 855, I believe. Yeah. So this is the reason I'm switching on to this MIUI and Poco. And another reason is that I want to switch on to this some other phone and a box pack. So I'm not onto the second-hand phones anymore. So that's all for today. I'll be sharing a full-length review or a week review after using this phone on a week. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing the photos and whatever the thing I've done with this phone. So stay tuned. That's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.